Good morning, cadets. Hope all of you are doing well. Last class we discussed computer system, a basic organization and functions and limitations and few characteristics of the computer full form computer system we are discussing. I uploaded in Google Classroom on assignment sheet. Few boys are asked to discuss about the answer key for the fill in the blanks which are discussed. I'm going with that. I'm uploading this. This video is only for discussion of assignment sheet which I uploaded in the Google Classroom. Yeah, we'll go for that. The final output available to user on the monitor is known as. So these I not discussed in the um, computer system what we discussed in the last two videos. But you can see the final output available to user on the monitor is known as what we say that is. Anyone guess? Final output which we cannot touch, which is available on the screen. So now I'm showing my screen here. You're seeing the screen. So this is the output of the entire question paper what I made. So am I able to touch this one? No. So this I can say as what we say as a software or so I can say it's a one document. So we call it as a soft copy. We call it as a soft copy. So if you are getting the print of this question paper, then we say as a hard copy. Okay. These are basic words you should know. The final output which is available to user on the monitor is called as a soft copy. Next, a component which is responsible for the control of all mathematical calculations and logical operations of the computer is called. As you know, from the very beginning of the computer onwards, you are learning in the basic organization contains arithmetical logical unit which performs all the logical operations. So I said as a ALU. It is called ALU. This is the component. The process of converting the unorganized data into meaningful information according to the user instructions. So, so जो कंप्यूटर को हम लोग जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं कंप्यूटर को जो हम लोग जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं दैट इज in the form of the English like sentences or punctuation marks or the numbers which we are giving. So this is unorganized data which is not understood by the machine language. The machine will understand only the machine language that is binary language zeros and ones one. So ये जो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेटा को मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज वंस एंड जीरोस को कन्वर्ट करने वाले को जो प्रोसेस को कहते हैं प्रोसेसिंग which is doing by the process. Yeah. IPO I told input process output IPO I discussed in the second video. If you go for that, you'll get input process output. So in there you'll get this bit. Okay. Unorganized raw facts and figures given to a computer collectively called. This we discussed in the class 8 also while discussing the DBMS database introduction समय में भी discuss किया था. So what is data? What is information? At that time I discussed raw facts and figures where there is no information from that is called as a data. That is called data. That is called data. If you convert that raw facts and figures into meaningful information, that is called as a meaningful data. It is called information. Yes. The basic organization of computer does not consist of. The basic organization of computer consists. So organization consists of memory unit, control unit, and processing that is arithmetic logical unit. So it cannot contain the keyboard. Keyboard तो basic और computer का तो unit में नहीं आएगा. तो keyboard mouse है जो भी है. A set of instructions I told set of instructions we are discussing from the earlier class onwards. This is called as a program. The group of instruction or the instruction is a command or a line or a program command or line or statement which we are writing in our program. Okay. Commonly used storage device hard disk. Yes, everyone know we are using the storage device one of the best storage and everyone we are using this hard disk. Okay. The smallest unit of memory is also not discussed in the not covered in the two videos, but we can do this one. The smallest smallest unit of memory is bit or nibble. One bit is equal to 0 or 1 or nibble I can say nibble is 4 bits after that 8 bits ऐसा करके जाता है. The smallest unit of memory. Memory is measured in the terms of units in the form of bits. That is zeros and ones. A computer is not able to what? Not able to think. Yes, it's a one of the limitations which we discussed uh, in the computer का जो fundamental जो characteristics हमें में तो computer का limitations क्या है हम लोग discuss किया है. Okay. The speed of CPU control Central processing unit is measured in terms of the frequency, that is megahertz. Megahertz. Okay. The speed of CPU is measured in the measured in megahertz. Read only memory, which is we say commonly called as ROM, is of a part of external internal. It's an internal memory which contains basic input output settings, all things will get. Okay, basic input and output, all settings of the keyboard, mouse, joby device, whatever you are attending, that all things will get. Okay, computers have zero IQ. Computers have zero IQ. Okay, computers have zero IQ. Only the instructions which are followed, which are given by the user, that only it will execute. It cannot think on its own. So it has zero IQ. A microprocessor is what? Central microprocessor, a chip where a large number of circuits elements are integrated. Yes, integrated ICs. If you have to go for the generations of the computer, the fourth generation of the computer is replaced with the लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेटेड को वेरी लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेटेड उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया है माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. इट्स अ चिप. ओके, पहला पहला जनरेशन में क्या यूज किया है? वैक्यूम ट्यूब. सेकंड जनरेशन में तो ट्रांजिस्टर्स. थर्ड जनरेशन में तो वी गॉट स्मॉल इंटीग्रेटेड फर्स्ट जनरेशन में तो वैक्यूम ट्यूब. सेकंड जनरेशन में तो ट्रांजिस्टर्स. थर्ड जनरेशन में तो आईसीस. फोर्थ जनरेशन में तो वेरी लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेटेड circuits. Then the fifth generation will come to the microprocessor. Okay, then the speed of CPU is determined by number of instructions executed by per second. Yes, number of instructions, we say number of instructions. Based on the number of instructions executed, it is executing per second. Based on that, the core, the dual core or i3 or i5, whatever we say, how fast the instructions is executing, based on that it is executed. So the number of instructions, how fast it is executing, that is it per second. Then the three components of CPU, as everyone know: ALU, control unit, okay, and memory unit. Memory unit. Memory unit. Okay. Control unit. CU stands for control. Control unit. Okay. Control unit. And ALU, I think everyone know. Arithmetic logical instruction. Arithmetic logical unit. So this is the first assignment, small assignment. As few, actually we are having only, we discussed only the characteristics and full form of computer and the what is computer and what are the different applications we used, and also we discussed the fundamentals and we are discussing the functions of the computer. So I discussed broadly, this assignment contains broadly covering of basics of class 6 to 8 also I covered, and also very basics also I covered. So that's why maybe you are unable to do 2 or 3 questions, because the questions are made in such a way that easy 50%, medium 50, medium 30%, difficult standard 20%. So in that way I made. That's why 2 3 questions you are unable to do. That's why the few students are asked me to discuss the assignment also. I'm discussing the assignment which I given in the Google Classroom. I hope all of you understood. If you are still unable to understand any of the fill in the blank or assignment question, so you can please add your comment in the Google Classroom. I will discuss you personally. Okay, clear? Thank you. Thank you, boys. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Signing off.